A new generation of warships rises quietly from the shadows of the sea. These fleets move with power, hidden beneath calm ocean surfaces. Advanced sensors watch every direction before danger even appears. Stealth technology makes modern warships almost invisible at sea. Some ships now sail alone, guided only by artificial intelligence. AI controls speed, defense, and navigation with perfect precision.
Target locked.
Smart
Missile
weapons
system armed.
react faster
Confirmed.
than
Launch
any
sequence
human ever
initiated.
could.
System green, ready for launch.
Drones extend vision across dangerous and unknown oceans. AI listens beneath the water to uncover hidden submarine threats. Speed and silence now rule the future of naval warfare. Humans and machines
Assistant,
command
report
the
status.
oceans as
Course
one
optimal.
intelligent
Speed steady at
force.
35.
Good. Maintain. Display
Every
global
mission
ocean map.
connects across
Affirmative.
worldwide
Initializing
digital
projection.
command
Overlay the
systems.
Navy fleet. Monitor all sectors. The Ghost ship is
Smart
entering the
navigation
storm zone.
defeats even the
Rerouting to
strongest
safer
storms at
coordinates.
sea.
It's breaking through safely.
AI manages power to keep ships running longer and safer. Ghost ships move silently through hostile ocean territories. Global oceans are secured by intelligent naval technology.
Initiating
AI prepares
simulation.
crews
All
for
systems
danger
green.
before
Copy.
battles
Adjusting
even
course to
begin.
waypoint. Confirmed. Training exercise proceeding. Initiate
Machines
repairs on the
repair
port side
damage
grid.
faster than
Copy.
human
Synchronizing
hands
now.
ever could.
Status update. Repairs at 80%.
Intelligence and speed now dominate modern naval battles. Future fleets may defend themselves automatically with AI power. Tomorrow's warships are already being built today. Control of the oceans now decides global military power. Strong fleets protect peace and worldwide commerce. Artificial intelligence keeps evolving beyond human imagination. Ghost warships carry the future of ocean power into a new era.